So this video is just going to show you the steps I went through to make Thor's hammer. Handle and body are done separately now, and they just fit together into there like that. So at the moment I'm just heating up a metal skewer and just melting over the seams of the handle. It just fills gaps like this. I'm doing that for the whole hammer, but it's coming on really good. I'm really happy with how it's turning out. I'm just filling the body now, just giving it a quick once over. Car body filler, pretty simple. So in this heat, the body filler doesn't really need much catalyst because it's so hot. It's about 25 degrees now, so it dries really quickly. Just got to fill this last section just to cover up these bits and it'll be done. So I've done one layer of car body filler. It's just thin, so it'll give me a nice layer to sand over and get smooth. It's pretty messy, but it doesn't need to be neat because it's just a thin layer just to sand over and get smooth. Open the van front, Heimdall. 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 Now we're just going on to sanding it, getting it all smooth, ready for primer and spray paint. there we go, so it's all finished. I'll just finish with a few close-up clips of the hammer. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, comment and subscribe.